Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a bio on Facebook. So let's start. First, open the Facebook app. When the app opens, tap on three bars on top right corner. Then tap on See Your Profile. Now you have to scroll down on your profile. And here you will see Edit Public Details. Tap on that. And you'll see that your bio is empty. Tap on Describe Yourself and write a few lines about yourself. I have already copied my bio, so I'll just paste it. When you are done, tap Save on top right corner. And that's how you can add your bio. When you want to edit it, all you have to do is tap on Edit. Then tap on Edit Bio. Then edit your bio as you like. I'll just remove this portion. When you are done, tap Save on top right corner. And your bio is now edited. And that's how you can add a bio on your Facebook. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.